Hi, let's talk today about V8 JavaScript engine, deploying ES2015 and measuring web performance. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. I must confess, I am a front-end developer and I am colorblind. Amaranth, Magenta, Crayola, purple, etc. just 50 shades of grey for me.
But have you ever thought how it's to be a blind programmer? Tuukka Ojala knows. In this article, you can read how it's possible. Managing CSS and JS in an HTTP2 world? We've been managing our components for years, but now Trevor Davis proposes to split them into chunks again. Does it make any sense? Find the answer in following article. Alexander Zlatkov posted the first part of the series How JavaScript Works. This article covers an overview of JS engine, the runtime and the call stack, probably the most mysterious JS parts. The second part of the series is devoted to Google's V8 JavaScript engine and contains 5 tips on how to write optimized code. You can find his posts on Session Stack blog. Irre proposes to try Peli. This is a set of free and open source tools that aims to make designing and developing accessibility easier. In this blog post, you can find how to use it.
Henry Jew made a report, How does Babel even works? Now only the technical part is available. Overall, his speech consists of 3 parts. How does it work as a compiler, as an open source project, as part of JS community. It's interesting and funny.
Another interesting article is JavaScript, the curious case of null greater or equal 0. This is a good deep dive to ECMAScript specification why null greater or equal 0 is true. Let's find out how deep the rabbit hole goes. Philip Walton talks about deploying ES2015 code in production today. Today is 2017. We live in a world where your smartphone is much more powerful than a mainframe just 10 years ago. Never mind. Philip observes a new feature, script module. When your browser supports modules, then it doesn't require ES5. Otherwise, you must downgrade your code. In the article Measuring Web Performance, it's really quite simple. David Gilbertson muses about key performance indicators for page load speed measuring. This is not only about load event, the topic is more complicated. You can dive into this topic on HackerNoon. Here we go again. There is one more good paper on JavaScript engines running under the hood, namely Understanding V8's Bytecode by Franziska Hinkelmann, posted on Medium. It is a really detailed and useful article on the inner working of V8 engine. In the end, please take a look at 10 JavaScript concepts you need to know for interviews by Arnav Agarwal. You might find this list interesting, especially if you are preparing yourself for an interview or going to conduct a JavaScript interview.
If you liked this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.